Okay, so we did another video where we went down this street, which is Rua do Invernarios, which is the street of the herbalists, and it's kind of this, like, this is kind of really cool because it has all this black and white right here, and it kind of goes all the way down like that as well. So it goes all the way this way, and then it goes all the way down this way, and then it goes all the way to the end, and it'll stop. But this one will also go around like this. So there's actually, this is the traditional herbalist way, and then this is a different street. So we're gonna actually go the other street and just kind of see what's on this one, because there's actually some pretty cool stuff along this way too. So okay. So that's the one we came from. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that's the one we came from. And this is the one that we're going to be going down. Okay, so let's go check it out. Also, just want to check out this kind of interesting architecture like that too. And so this is going to be our street focus here, and then the Invernarios is on the other side. So you kind of have like, you can just walk through to the other street. So a lot of these shops have connection to the other side. And then you also have some kind of cool looking, whoa, that taxi is flying fast. Yeah, it's super fast. The taxi is flying. Okay, so then you have this little cool stuff here. And then, so you can see some of the people down that way that do, they do mahjong, and then you have this kind of cool artwork. And then this street is Invernarios. So we're gonna keep on walking down this street and see what we can see. So let's see. Right down to Invernarios again. Dang, that guy's flying. People are flying way too fast down this street. And then this one is Donor Istanbul. Oh, actually, I also wanted to... Oh! There used to be a beautiful painting right here, which was connected to this shop, which is now closed. So, yeah, this one and this one. So I guess he owns this. This is the owner of that particular place, and usually that's murals right there, but it's not there now. That's him right there. So, okay, let's go on this side. Oops. Traffic is a little bit. Okay. So now you can see kind of the beauty of the street, especially at this time of evening. Then you got beautiful stuff like this and like that. There's just so many people on that spot, it was kind of hard to capture this adequately. And just the beauty of it. That's amazing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back up the street in a minute. Right now. I'm just trying to capture the totality of all this. It's beautiful, right? Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up the street. The angel box, keychains, and then this is original tea, it's called. Oops. So let me check out this real quick. Hi guys. Let's just check out this what this little space is down here. Wow. looks cool. Oops. That's so cool. So it looks like a little alley. Apartments, then I guess like an apartment right there. Amazing. Okay, so there's all kinds of cool little stuff everywhere. Then we got this. And we got this. Pretty colorful little street. Narrow sidewalks though. Actually, that looks kind of cool too. That little shop. I just kind of glimpsed and saw kind of this older man in an old, kind of old man attire. So I thought it was kind of cool to capture it, but I don't think I could really capture it very well. Okay. Beautiful. And then this one's Rua de Nossa, Senhora do Amparo. So maybe we'll label it accordingly. Man, the street's beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. And we're gonna get up to the top here in a minute. It's a one-way street. They really fly down here fast. Then you got all kinds of cool little stuff everywhere. Malay Home, it's called. Then we're gonna come up here. And this is kind of the beginning of our street here. So let's go back. Oh, this place is closed. It was open a minute ago. And then later they're gonna open up like a little restaurant in this space as well, so they'll start to cook food later. So yeah, pretty cool little space. Let's walk back a little bit further down. Now we have this, and then we also have this little space right here that this is kind of goes towards Rua de Invernarios. And then there's another, just kind of see, just so you have some context. More streets down this way too. Then you also have all these ones too, just for more context of different areas. And then you have this little space here, so maybe we'll just run across real quick. Then you can have this, and then we'll give you all the context. Then we have this whole street. So this is the street that we walked down, this one right here. And there's a little bit more context. This kind of goes up towards Senhora Square a little bit. And then this one is, well, we just went down this one. So, okay. Kind of a cool little space. So it's back that way a little bit. And this will be the end of our video right in this space right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.